Okay, yo, what's up, guys? And today we're going to unbox something again, because I like to do these videos with you guys. So, like and subscribe, okay? And comment and press the notification button to see, to notificate you. Or, I don't know. We're going to unbox this thing. I bought this toy. This is from Jollibee. You know, I'm a Filipino YouTuber. I'm Pinoy, just joking. Okay, let's open this up. Oh gosh. Let's open it. This is how you open it. Not like the Jollibee. This. It's super. Oh. Ugh. Dang it. Ugh. Opened it. Oh gosh. And there you go. And is there more? Oh, there it is. There's more. Wait. Oh! This is so cool. Like, look at it. This is so cool. What is this? What is this? There's a manual behind it. You can read it. I don't know. So this is it. So if you want to see more videos from me, then click on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe. And see ya. Peace.